guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to settings your preference of content of content on TikTok. So this is an easy process to do where you can find that option in the part of settings and privacy of the app, and I show you how you can find that option. So how you can use it. So the first step is go to the application of TikTok here, and after that you need to go to the down part, the right down part here in the bottom of your profile. And here in your profile you need to go to the superior right corner in this three lines. I will to pick here. I pick here, and here in that panel I will go to pick in settings and privacy. So here you need to go down to the option of content preference. Here you pick here, and after that you got all a lot of options to filter to settings your content. You can filter the video keywords. You can select that words to that's keywords to the algorithm show to you the content you want to see. You can restrict mode if you can stop see adult content, or you can refresh your feed your for you for like update all your content. So this is the option, and you can mute the accounts if you got a specific account you want to block, you want to mute. You can see that account again. So this is the options, you can use it, and this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.